Hi friends. First of all, thank you friends for being in my video. Today we are going to discuss a topic in agronomy, that is water management. And this is the part 5 of water management, and previous 4 parts are uploaded in the playlist of agronomy. So please watch those videos also, and let's start the part 5 of agronomy. Surface methods of irrigation. Surface irrigation method refers to the manner or plan of water application by gravity flow to the cultivated land, wetting either the entire field, uncontrolled flooding, or part of the field, furrows, basins, border strips. Surface method of irrigation, as shown in the picture, this is the furrow method of surface irrigation. These are furrows. In those furrows, the irrigation water is applied, and this is border strip. Each one is called as border strip, and in those crops are corrugation method, here check basin, and border ditch methods. These are the surface methods of irrigations. Surface irrigation methods: uncontrolled surface flooding and controlled surface flooding. Under controlled surface flooding, we have basins, border strips, and furrows. And in basins, check basin and ring basin. And for border furrow method, it is deep furrow and corrugations. Wild flooding. It consists of applying water to the field without any bunds to guide the flow of water, wetting the soil surface completely. Generally, it is practiced only when irrigation water is abundant and where land leveling is not followed. Controlled flooding. Check basin method. In this method, the field is divided into square or rectangular plots of 4 to 4000 meters square, guided by bunds on all the sides. This method is most commonly used for irrigating crops like groundnut, finger millet, sorghum, vegetable crops, etc. And here the images have given, this is check basin method. These are the basin A, basin B, and basin C, and the water is flowed as a controlled flooding method. Ring basin method. This method is modified of check basin method and is suitable for sparsely growing orchard crops and cucurbits. Here we observe this is the ring, and in this the irrigation is given to the plants. This is called as the ring basin method. Border strip method. The cultivated field to be irrigated is divided into a number of long parallel strips, generally 5 to 15 meters in width and 75 to 300 meters in length, separated by small border ridges or lower dikes of about 15 centimeters high, laid out in the direction of the slope. Based on the slope, here see in the image, it is the slope, and this is the main canal of water, and it is flooded into the border strips. Deep furrow method. In furrow method of irrigation, the flat bed surface is converted into a series of ridges and furrows running down the slope. See here, these are the furrows, and these are the ridges. The field is made into furrows and ridges, and water was be given in these furrows. Corrugation. This is a special method of furrow irrigation. Corrugation or rills are shallow furrows running down the slope from head ditches or laterals, which are sometimes very close to each other. Important questions. Let's get into the important questions. Which of the following method of irrigation is not a surface method of irrigation? Check basin, border strip, furrow, corrugation, and sprinkler irrigation. The correct answer is sprinkler irrigation. Why? Because sprinkler irrigation is a micro irrigation. It's not a surface method of irrigation. Which of the following method of irrigation is used for spacey growing orchard crops? As we studied earlier, it is ring basin for mango and cucurbits.